right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their pet water fountain to create an unboxing for you, connecting fur families everywhere. Same here, FunFlow automatic pet water fountain. Let's open it on up and show you what it looks like. So right on top, you have a nice filter. Look at that branding. Love it, love it. It says it lasts for 30 days. And then in here, you have a nice instruction guide. As you can see, this tells you exactly how to put everything together, how high you can fill the water, how to plug it up, etc. All of the specs and all of that. So you'll want to read this to know how to set it up. This video will show you what comes in here. You also do get a very nice, look at that. It plugs in and then has one of these to screw over it to help waterproof it. That's a great idea. And it's just a regular USB-A, which you do get an included USB-A adapter. So you can just plug this in directly to your wall and then plug this into your pet fountain here. Now let's take it on out. That's it for the box. So, oh, look at that. So here's the other end of said cable. Very nice. And you even have a spot where you're able to run the cable out the back. That is great. There is the front of the device. You can see how much water is in it. And then water comes out right out here and goes into this little bucket and filters back down. See? So this one has the pump already installed, so you ain't got to do anything there. This is able to be completely submerged in water, of course. This part just twists off so you can put the filters in, and then you just put it right back on there, and you're back in business. So that will essentially do it for this automatic pet water fountain. Thanks again to this company for sending this product to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.